how you can install Flix Vision on your Android TV or Fire Stick. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it, so let's get started. First, we need to allow apps from unknown sources. If you're using a Fire Stick, go to Settings, then My. Fire TV, then Developer Options. Turn on Apps from Unknown Sources and ADB Debugging. If you're on an Android TV, go to Settings, then Device Preferences, then Security and Restrictions. Enable Unknown Sources for the Downloader app. Now, we need to install the Downloader app. On Fire Stick, open the Amazon App Store. On Android TV, open the Google Play Store. Search for Downloader and install it. Next, open the Downloader app and enter the latest Flix Vision APK URL. Click Go and wait for the download to finish. Once it's downloaded, install the app. After it's installed, open Flix Vision from your apps. Grant the necessary permissions, choose a media player, and start streaming your favorite content. And that's it. That's how you can install Flix Vision on your Android TV or Fire Stick.